Welcome children. Welcome you all to today's spoken English class. This is lesson 115. Happy to welcome you all to today's class. Let's move to the homophones of the day. Today's homophones are need and need. N-E-E-D need and K-N-E-A-D also need. They have the same pronunciation but difference in spelling. When you require a certain ingredients for making food or something, you'll use the spelling N-E-E-D need. When you work with dough by your hands, you need it. When you work with dough by your hand, you need it. K-N-E-A-D need. Okay? Okay children, let's move to today's class. In this class, you are going to learn phrasal verb based on the verb ask. First one is ask for. Ask for means asking someone's well-being. Example, I met Maya yesterday. She was asking after you. When we visit our neighbor or relative, they may ask after someone. Okay. Next one for you is ask around. Ask around means to ask for help or information. This is called ask around. Example, the little girl is ask around the way to the exam hall. Ask around means asking someone for help or any other information. The next one is ask for. Ask for, which means when you want something from someone, you will ask for. When you want some things from someone, you will ask for. Example, I forgot my pen, so I asked my friend for a pen. I forgot my pen at home, so I asked my friend for a pen. So when we are requesting someone to offer something, you can use ask for. The next one is ask someone in. Ask someone in, which means when someone is visiting our doorstep, we will invite them to come inside the room or house. Okay? Inviting someone into your house is called ask someone in. When my father's friend visited my house, I asked him in. Okay? When someone is visiting your home, you may ask them to come inside the house when they are at the doorstep. Okay? That is what ask someone in. Okay? Okay children. Hope you do have understood. Let us revise what we have learned based on the verb ask. The first one is ask after. Ask after means when we visit someone, they may ask about our parents' well-being. Okay? The second one is ask around. When we are asking for information or information or help is called ask around. The third one is ask for. When we need something, we will ask for it. Fourth one is ask someone in. When someone is standing at the doorstep of our house, we will ask the person to come inside the house. Okay? Okay children, hope you do have understood. Let us meet in the next class. Until be safe and be happy.